Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so normally I don't tell stories, but here I go now. I was on a camping trip this weekend, and one of my friends, Karen is her name, says, I remember a recipe my mom used to make all the time, and it was potatoes with tuna. Tuna in the potatoes. I swear, I have never heard of it. She is swearing up and down. It tastes so delicious. So, of course, my intriguing mind, I have to know because it kind of fits the criteria of the budget kitchen. You know, few ingredients, budget friendly, quick to make. So I was like, oh, well, I think I'm going to have to try that. So what you need is 2 cans of your favorite tuna, and this is a must. Like, I guess it's just not going to taste the same if you don't use this for cheese. Okay, and it has to be the family size. If you can't find the family size, which is 8 ounces, get 2 of the smaller bags. That's 4 ounces, okay? Okay, so we're going to start off with putting in 4 cups of water, and we're gonna, of course, you know how to make potatoes. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Then we're gonna put in the potatoes. You know how to make instant potatoes, and if you don't, let me know. I'll do a tutorial on it. Okay, so 2 cans of tuna and an 8-ounce bag of the family size 4 cheese. It's got to be 4 cheese, friends. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that to come to a boil. Okay, my water has now come to a boil, and here's where I'm just gonna throw in my potatoes. Give that a stir. Okay, friends, I stirred up my potatoes, and now I threw in 2 cans of tuna. Okay, and that is what it looks like. I could tell you that it smells really good. All right, so I'm wondering, have you ever tasted tuna in mashed potatoes? I am about to, because I'm going to make a bowl. It smells delicious. I mean, this was so crazy quick to make. I loved it. It's simple, 2 ingredients, quick to make, budget friendly. Yeah, I like all of that stuff. So Karen said, only those 2 ingredients, the potatoes and the tuna. I just added a little sprinkle of cheese on top. I'm going to taste it now, friends. This is my first time doing this. Oh, yeah. I would make this again. I think you're going to like it. I like it. And I'm definitely going to make it again. So I want to thank Karen for her recipe. Okay, have you heard of this before? Because this is my first time of hearing this, and it tastes delicious. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos like this, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, please keep cooking. I love you all.